Nigerian TV. Update for the week. And if you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJN TV and do not forget to click on the notification bell for more superb video. I am Umaru Latifa. DJN TV.
Hello, good evening, good morning, good night, depending on where you are listening to us. We just want to thank you for commenting, for sharing our work, and for liking. We really appreciate, and we are here to give you all the latest information regarding what is happening in Nigeria, all over the world, specifically in Edo State election that is happening in Benin City, or in Edo State, September 19. I will be doing a live coverage on that day. I will be live from morning to when the result is out. This we will be getting some report that we are APC. Some said we are APC, PDP. We don't belong to any political class or to any political party. We are just here to make sure we get the right, or we pass the right information to the right people, which is you, and we can't really appreciate you enough. And we are not supporting Obaseki, we are not supporting Ize-Iyamu, and we are not supporting Oshiomole. The major thing in life is good governance. That's what the people of Edo State needs. They don't need whether you are in APC, you are in PDP before they vote for you. They just want a trustworthy person, a person with a very good character. And they also said that they don't need a thief. Yes, we have couples of video that we are going to show to you guys today. This video, there will be Obaseki, there will be Oshiomole, there will be Ize-Iyamu. You will see a series of videos where Oshiomole was accusing Ize-Iyamu as a thief, as a cultist, etc. And you will also see videos where Oshiomole was praising Obaseki, that Obaseki must win, that Obaseki is fully educated. I know this morning, we showed you videos of Ize-Iyamu where he was telling the Edo people that he has provided palliative to good people of Edo State to assist them in order to be able to combat COVID-19. Yes, that was good performance. And Obaseki has been the governor, is the current incumbent governor of Edo State, and I can't really tell who will win, but we'll be here and we'll be feeding you with different information as we get it, and we are not supporting anybody. Just click on the notification bell so that we'll be getting more videos from us. We'd really appreciate from the bottom of our heart all the love you guys have shown to us, all the private messages you have sent to us. So we have more than 10 videos here, but just stay tuned and relax. So let's watch some of the videos.
Do they now have the right to tell you to vote for them for discriminating against your children? And Ize-Iyamu was the secretary of the Edo State government of PDP when those policies were being implemented. Are you going to vote for them? Do they believe in a united Nigeria? Do they believe in united Edo State? Do they believe all men and women were born equal? They don't. Why must you not punish them when evil God has already punished them? Number two, look at our central hospital. Are you not proud to say you are an Edo man? Are you not? I am wearing this with pride because I know the value of work. I am a self-made man. I didn't work as PA to anybody. Godwin is a self-made. He went to school. He didn't pour acid on anybody's child. But PDP carried a pour acid for the private part of a student in University of Benin, and he was rusticated for 2 years. Is that the guy who is coming? He he wants to spread more acid to Edo State? Are you going to? Can he ever appeal to students not to be violent when he himself has a history of violence? And you know what we find out? The panel that suspended him was chaired by Professor Ize-Iyamu, who is today the chairman of the Anti-Corruption Council set up by President Muhammadu Buhari. Is that the... Look, when you want to do politics, you are in a glass house. Everybody must look you. You must answer your papa name. That is why people say they read law, but they are not barristers. Huh? You read law, you are not barrister. Say you are a pastor. Be careful of those who carry Bible in the day and AK-47 at night. Be very, very careful. I am a Christian. I am a Catholic. I believe in Jesus Christ as our Savior. But the Bible recognizes that there is Judah. It recognizes that. There is not all those who proclaim that believe. So don't be deceived. Don't be deceived. So let me round up. For the Igbo traders, your needs are obvious. And Godwin, from the day one in his campaign, keeps saying that he has to work out a scheme to grant soft loan to traders so that they can run their businesses, so you don't go borrowing money from money doubler. He has recognized that the reason we have a ban on infrastructure is to attract investors to our state. The investors are here now. We now have Nigeria's largest private power plant, the Azura Power Project. It's already under construction. It's not a proposal. Last week, we did the groundbreaking ceremony of an industrial city set up by a foreign company with a Nigerian partner chaired by Professor Pat Utomin. You know him. Where 50 companies will take off. So when we talk of 200,000 jobs, the road map is there. It's not in the air. Because people now believe in our state. If you go to the bypass, you will be shocked about the number of Chinese companies that have come to Edo State. We are producing ceramic tiles in Edo State. We are producing iron rods in Edo State. A number of items. All of this company came in over the last 6 years. What is PDP record? Let me tell you, more than zero. Today, PDP went and took all the money in
you sit on television and say, you know, I made him a governor. How can you say that? How can you say that? Who know you? By 2007, Pastor Ize-Iyamu on election day was restricted by EFCC. He couldn't come out for fear of arrest.
Actually, on the day he gave this interview, incidentally, that day was my birthday. So I had breakfast with a couple of friends, and I didn't watch it, but I was getting phone calls that the governor was on channels and he spent all the time talking about me and insulting me. I said, well, I'll find time to watch it. And I remember late that night, the same governor called me to wish me happy birthday. And I said, you are calling me at night, but I heard you on channels in the morning insulting me. He said, no, he didn't insult me. He was just reacting to what I said. I said, okay. I would watch it, then I will react. So when you try to now belittle me, I think you are only giving the impression that you are not to be taken seriously.
I am a self-made man. I didn't didn't work as PA to anybody. Godwin is a self-made. He went to school. He didn't pour acid on anybody's child. But PDP carried a pour acid for the private part of a student in University of Benin. And he was rusticated for 2 years. Is that the guy who is coming? He wants to spread more acid to Edo State. Are you going to? Can he ever appeal to students not to be violent when he himself has a history of violence? And you know what we find out? The panel that suspended him was chaired by Professor Ize-Iyamu, who is today the chairman of the Anti-Corruption Council set up by President Muhammadu Buhari. Is that the... Look, when you want to do politics, you are in a glass house. Everybody must look you. You must answer your papa name. That is why people say they read law, but they are not barristers. Huh? You read law, you are not barrister. Say you are a pastor. Be careful of those who carry Bible in the day and AK-47 at night. Be very, very careful. By the special grace of God, who reads the heart, who knows the heart of man, who knows the past and the future, who knows the beginning and the end. He sees what we don't see. He knows what we don't know. He knows that God will. He has been part of the tradition. He knows the vision. He knows the mission. He knows the target. He knows where we are. He knows the challenges, and he knows how to overcome them. To deliver all that he has promised, he will do. I pray, even now, nothing should excite me as to look at God and lie to my people. And I declare as follows before God, that the other guy, Mr. Ize-Iyamu, he has a very interesting lifestyle. For 2 years, they drive him from school. Why? He carried acid and pour on the body of another student. Today, that student is deformed for life. Today, he cannot raise a family. That is his credentials. And that is why he could not go to law school. If you are not a professional, die-hard, pathological liar who says God will not win, even they can say so, God must win. God must win. Let any one man living raise his hand and say, no, God will not win. You know what finish? God must win. God must win. God must win.
Report. Later day I watched him saying he is a pastor. No pastor will subscribe to, will lie effortlessly the way Mr. Ize-Iyamu lies. And no pastor will equip a young man to go and fight.
This was a man who worked closely with you before.
Yeah.
Your former DG of campaign.
Yeah.
And you realize now that he lies?
Oh, I know he lies.
Even when he was working with you?
Yes.
He does lie when he was...
Excuse me, I cannot make a statement. I can't write a statement of character on someone I've never met. So if I haven't worked with him, I will be able to arrive at the conclusion. And you know that if you were following the result, they were posting fake results in the in the internet. So lie is synonymous with PDP. And that is why I never gave pastor a job in government.
That's the reason.
Yeah.
You do not believe that he has integrity.
Yes.
But the truth about it is that, and as Oshiomole believes, the more he insults, the more he attacks, people will not know the truth. But the truth cannot be hidden. And though people trusted him, they voted for him. The kind of money that has come to this state in the past almost 8 years, that money has never come before. From the time of Midwest to Bende and to the period before he came in Edo, if you add all the money together, it's not up to what Adam Oshiomole collected. Oshiomole has gotten over 1.4 trillion in the past 7.5 years. What has he done with it? It's not by insulting Pastor Ize-Iyamu or by insulting Chief Aneni. Only recently in the Catholic Church, he met Chief Aneni, and on the altar, he apologized to him and said, "Please forgive me." But days after, he's abusing Chief Aneni again. Will God forgive such a person? Will God forgive him? He says, Pastor Ize-Iyamu is bad. Pastor Ize-Iyamu is useless. When he appointed Pastor Ize-Iyamu as DG, he didn't know Pastor Ize-Iyamu was bad. When he made him national vice chairman of his party, he didn't know he was bad. Now Pastor Ize-Iyamu has left him. He says he's bad. Who is a fool? Oshiomole. Who is a fool? The truth about it is that this man has embezzled the resources of our states. I was chief of staff. I was secretary to government. People know what those functions are about. I welcome Oshiomole to probe the time I was in government. Look for everything I did. Let him do it. Because by the grace of God, when I'm governor, I will probe him. I will probe him. Every couple that has come to Edo State, he will account for it. That is his fear. That is why he cannot longer sleep. And that's why he's talking like somebody who has gone mental. The fear of being caught. One day for the thief, one day for the owner of the house is coming. The owner of the house is coming. Esa Northeast is a local government in Edo State. A big local government. 2 constituencies. 11 wards. Out of the 1.4 trillion, how much has come to this local government? Is there water in the local government? Are there jobs? Are there industries? Are there teachers? You know, it was talking. You know, when somebody does not fear God, please listen, when somebody does not fear God, he talks anyhow and he uses the name of God in vain. He said he wants to swear before God. The government pastor said they didn't employ anybody, but he has employed so many people. And I just laughed. I wasn't governor, but the time I was in government, I'm proud to say thousands of teachers were employed. Go and ask teachers. They will tell you the last time thousands were employed into the teaching service was when Pastor Ize-Iyamu was in government. Thank you. Now, for the first time, we have a government that has never employed teachers. For 8 years, even when at the end of the day, 500 science teachers were employed, he came and said it wasn't well done. They should cancel it, he will redo it. We are still waiting for him to redo it. As of today, in Edo State, we have less than 20 science teachers. The man thinks that the color of a roof is what education is all about. You know, when a man does not go to school, they don't know the meaning of education. So he tells you, put red roof in school. Is red roof education? Is there education without teachers? Look at schools in the local governments. No teachers, no science laboratory, no body facilities, no sport facilities. Is there education? Is there education? When we were in school, and I'm happy I went to school, let him tell us the school he went to. When we were in school, Professor Ambrose Ali was the governor of our state. He gave us bursary. Bursary was meant to help every student of Edo origin. With bursary, you were able to pay your school fees. You were able to buy books. You were able to pay for transport. You were able to pay for accommodation. And you even had money to eat. Today, Oshiomole has refused to assist those students. Rather, he has increased school fees. Let me promise you, by the grace of God, when we come in, what we enjoyed in our time, we will bring back. We will pay you best. He has tried to punish his local governments because you are principled. You have stood firm behind your leaders, responsible leaders, and because of that, he has tried to victimize you. There is nothing he can point to that he has done in this place. Nothing he can point to. And today we have the boldness to come to Uromi and say, vote for me. Will you vote for him? Will you vote for him? The man has failed. Industries, zero. Agriculture, zero. Housing, zero. Sports, zero. Tourism, zero. Environment, zero. Agriculture, zero. Where do we score him? Uromi has an hospital. Is that a good hospital? Is that a functional hospital? So what do we score him in health? Zero. I said education without teachers. Is that education? So what do we score him in education? Zero. So ask yourself, where do we score him? It's not to make noise. It's not to begin to shout. You said bye-bye to poverty. I thought people did not know that we were talking only about yourself. They thought you were talking about them. Today, poverty is deeper in the Edo State. Is that not true? This kind of government, I never see your type. Oh. This kind of government, suffer too much. This kind of government.
You have heard from Godwin, who says God will not win. Even they can say so. God must win. God must win. Let any one man living raise his hand and say, no, God will not win. You know what finish? God must win. That man, pastor deceive people. When Channel asked him, Pastor, are you corrupt? He was dazed.
Are you saying that there was corruption in the last government, in the government of the PDP?
Let's be
was there corruption in the government of PDP?
Of course.
That you were part of for 8 years?
Listen.
No. You agree that there was corruption there?
Listen, there is no...
Pastor Ize-Iyamu, you agree there was corruption in that time?
Listen, if I tell you there was no corruption, I will be lying.
People that talk to everybody. Tell them say our mumu don't do. Because Oshiomole they boast. He say what they talk about, whether they campaign. As far as election day, he carry money go feed. Vote for APC, collect 2,000. Say that's the end. But when I go tell her, say 2,000, no go be changed on this. He says, Pastor Ize-Iyamu is bad. Pastor Ize-Iyamu is useless. When he appointed Pastor Ize-Iyamu as DG, he didn't know Pastor Ize-Iyamu was bad. When he made him national vice chairman of his party, he didn't know he was bad. Now Pastor Ize-Iyamu has left him, he says he's bad. Come at Oshiomole to probe the time I was in government. Look for everything I did. Let him do it. Because by the grace of God, when I'm governor, I will probe him. I will probe him. Every couple that has come to Edo State, he will account for.
I heard you talking about Mami Water. Do you know that Ize-Iyamu signed minutes of the State Executive Council awarding contract for the construction of the road across Teacher's House? Do you know that? They took the money.
The reality is that the second term has been a disaster.
They are parading a man who, as a student, couldn't make it. He read law, but he's not a barrister. Is that the kind of person? Is that your role model? Will you read law and not be a barrister?
If you will assess the government of Adam Oshiomole in the last 7 years or so, how would you say he has performed?
In the first 4 years, we applauded him. Applauded him because we believed that he was determined to transform the state. And that was when the so-called Red Revolution he was talking about was happening. That's when some roads were being tied. And I was one of those who kept urging him on and applauding him. But the second term, where he ought to finish strong, has been a disaster. In fact, you will notice that in the past 1 or 2 years, government in Edo State is practically on autopilot.
We supported this man because we thought he was a genuine communist. We thought this man will develop the states. And God wanted to help him. No, it's okay. God wanted to help him. The kind of money God gave to him, no government in Edo, Bentel or Midwest has gotten the kind of money that Oshiomole got. And Oshiomole has received over 1.4 trillion. Of that amount, how much has he spent in East and West? How much has he spent in East and West?
And with people who have been convicted, the only thing you have learned is how to loot. Edo cannot return back to that era.
The only way I can be of help to you is that you lie low, hoping that memories will fade.
We didn't just sit down, one person will choose governor and deputy, like what Oshiomole is doing. A man who said no to God for that reason, but they have become emperor. We didn't just sit down, one person will choose governor and deputy, like what Oshiomole is doing. A man who said no to God for that reason, but they have become emperor.
Mr. Ize-Iyamu, although he read law, he is not a barrister. Ize-Iyamu said he cannot be blamed for the failure of Igbenedius government. Would that be the reason to promote him to the office of governor? No. Hey, tell me your friends. Tell me your friends. Tell me the government you serve, and I will tell you what you will do. Is that not so?
Update for the week. And if you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJN TV, and do not forget to click on the notification bell for more superb video. I am Umar Latifa.
DJN TV. DJN TV. DJN TV.